Imagine waking up one morning and discovering your job has been replaced by AI. No warning, no interview, no goodbye. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's already happening. AI is writing articles, designing logos, coding software, answering customer questions, and even creating videos. So here's the big question. Which jobs will survive the AI revolution? Let's find out. Before we begin, here's something important. AI isn't replacing all jobs. It's replacing specific tasks. Throughout history, new technology has always changed the way we work. Cars replaced horses. Computers replaced typewriters. The internet transformed entire industries. AI is simply the next big shift. The people who adapt usually come out ahead. Let's start with jobs that AI is already changing. 1. Data entry. Typing information into spreadsheets? AI can do that faster, cheaper, and with fewer mistakes. 2. Customer support. Many companies now use AI chatbots that answer thousands of customer questions every day. Human agents are still needed, but mostly for difficult cases. 3. Basic content writing. Simple blog posts, product descriptions, routine emails. AI can generate these in seconds. That doesn't mean writers disappear. It means they'll need to focus on creativity and strategy instead of repetitive writing. 4. Basic graphic design. Need a social media post? AI can create one almost instantly. But branding, storytelling, and original creative direction still need talented designers. Now for the good news. Some jobs are extremely difficult for AI to replace. Healthcare. Doctors, nurses, surgeons, and therapists don't just diagnose. They comfort people. They make difficult decisions. They earn trust. AI can assist them, but not replace the human connection. Skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, car mechanics, construction workers. Every house and every repair is different. Robots still struggle in unpredictable, real-world environments. These careers are likely to remain valuable for many years. Teachers. AI can explain math, but inspiring students, managing a classroom, understanding emotions, that's something humans still do far better. The best teachers create curiosity, not just information. Creative professionals. Ironically, AI creates art, but humans create meaning. Movie directors, game designers, musicians, storytellers. People connect with human experiences. AI can become an amazing tool, but great ideas still begin with people. Here's something many people forget. Every major technology creates new careers. Years ago, nobody imagined jobs like social media manager, app developer, YouTuber, prompt engineer, AI trainer, AI automation consultant. The same thing will happen again. Instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask, how can AI make me better at my job? That's the mindset that wins. AI isn't the end of human work. It's the beginning of a new way of working. Some jobs will disappear, many jobs will change, and entirely new careers will emerge. The future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to the people who learn how to work alongside it. So what do you think? Will AI replace your job or help you become better at it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about AI, technology, and the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.